everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm gonna show you how we are going to make these beautiful fingerless gloves, crochet hand warmers, how you call them. It's really beautiful, dear friends. It is very easy. The pattern is very easy. I explained everything in detail. My tutorial is very detailed. Even the beginners can easily make them. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Dear friends, for this project we need 5 different colors of cotton yarns. These are 50-gram cotton yarns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 different colors we need. I'm going to use these colors. You are free to choose any color you like. And we need 2.5 millimeters hook. I made one piece before making this video. You are making the same for both hands. It's like this. For example, this hand, I am taking this off and wearing the same for the other hand. It is like this. Since we are using the same pattern for both sides of the glove, when you make one, you can make the same for the other hand, like this. First of all, dear friends, we need 1, 2 and 2 pieces more for the other side. We need 4 pieces of this motif. I made one motif for you, and now I will explain you how we are going to make this. When I finish explaining this square, you have to make 4 pieces like this square. Okay, let's start how to make this square. I am starting with blue color since the center is blue at my project. We are starting by making 6 chains, dear friends. First of all, I am making a knot like this. I am considering this as chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then inserting my hook in the first chain, making a slip stitch like this. 1, 2, 3 chains, and then making a double crochet. I am considering the first chain as the first double crochet. Now I have 2 double crochet. I am making 1 more double crochet, and I consider this as 1 block, and then making 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same center. I made 1 double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, 2 chains. The second block is finished. I made 2 chains. I'm going to make another block with 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I'm making 2 chains, 1, 2, yarn over. I'm going to make 3 double crochets more. This is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. I am making 2 chains, 1 block, 2 block, 3 and 4 block, 1, 2, 3 space, and now I made 2 chains. I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains here and making a slip stitch. The first row finished. I am making 1 chain and then cutting the yarn like this. The first row finished, dear friends. Now we are going to make the second row. I am taking my other color in my hand. I am starting any corner. This corner I am choosing. I'm making this yarn end like this. I'm fixing the yarn. 1, 2, yarn over. I'm going to make a block in here. I am considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. This is the second double crochet, and I am making the third double crochet like this. I am making 1 chain and going to the other center. I am making 1 double crochet and second and third, making 2 chains, yarn over, making 3 more double crochet in the same center. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, making 1 chain, yarn over. I am going to the other center and making 3 double crochet first. This is 1 double crochet, this is second double crochet, and this is third double crochet, making 2 chains, and then I am going to make 3 double crochets more in the same center space. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and making 1 chain. Only for the center space I'm making 2 chains, and for the side I'm making 1 chain. I am going to the other space, making 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, making 2 chains, and I am making 3 double crochets more. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I am making 1 chain. I am going to the center that we start. When starting we made 1 block. Now I am going to make the second block. 1, 2, and 3, making 2 chains, inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains like this, making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. Second row is finished. Now I am going to make the third row, burgundy color. I'm taking my burgundy color in my hand and we are starting any corner. I am choosing this. I'm not always starting in the center I finished, because I don't want the knots to one upon another. It will not look good. Each time I am choosing another center. I'm starting here, making like this to fix the yarn. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to make 1 block in here. This is the second double crochet, and this is the third double crochet, making 1 chain. I'm going to the space in the side, making 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, making 1 chain, yarn over, going to the space, the center space, and making 3 double crochet first. This is 2, and this is 3, making 2 chains. Since this is the corner, I'm making 2 chain and making 3 more double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, making 1 chain, going to this space here and making 3 double crochet in here. I mean, we are making 1 block, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet, making 1 chain, going to the corner, making a block. Firstly, each block consists of with 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3 double crochet. I am considering this 3 double crochet as 1 block. Now I am making 2 chains, yarn over, making another block in the same corner, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet means 1 block, like this. Making 1 chain. Since we are in the side, I am making 1 chain. Only in the corners we are making 2 chains. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 block finished. Making 1 chain, going to the center, I mean the corner here, making 1 block first, I mean 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, making 1, 2 chains, making 3 double crochet more in the same corner. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, like this. And I am making 1 chain, yarn over, inserting my hook in this space, one, 2, and 3 double crochet, making 1 chain, going to the corner that I start and that I made 1 block. I am making the second block of this corner now. For this reason, I am making 3 double crochet. This is 1 double crochet. This is second double crochet. And this is third double crochet, making 2 chains. Inserting my hook at top of this, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain and cutting the yarn like this. We are going to hide these yarn ends later on. I will show you how we are going to make them. Okay, now we are on the upper row, I mean this green color. For this reason, I'm taking my green color in my hand and I'm starting any corner. Here I'm choosing. I am making yarn over the yarn end in order to fix well. I fixed the yarn. Now 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, making 3 double crochet in here. This is 2. I'm considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet, so it's 2, and making the third double crochet, 1 block finished. 1 chain, going to the space, making a block in here, 1, 2, and 3. 1 chain, going to the other space here and making 3 double crochet in here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 1 chain, making 1 block in this corner firstly. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and making 1 more block in the same space. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. 1 chain, yarn over, going to the space, making 3 double crochet in here. 1, 2, and 3. 1 chain, going to the other space, making 3 double crochet in there. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 1 chain in the center. I'm making 1 block firstly with 3 double crochet like this, making 2 chains and making 1 more block in the same corner. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Making 1 chain, going to the following space, making 3 double crochet in here, 1 chain, going to the other space, like this. We are completing this row, dear friends, and coming to the place we start. Yes, I finished these 3 corners. I am at the end. I am making 1 chain and going to the corner I start. I'm inserting my hook and making 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I am making 2 chains, inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. Dear friends, we finished till here. First of all, you are making 1 row with another color in the same way I explain you. 1 piece of square will be like this. The others will be with less rows. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. It is okay. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4 rows because we are going to make the 5th row while connecting these to each other, attaching them to each other. We are going to crochet this row for the other square. But before this, I am going to clean the back side. First of all, you see there is a space here in the center. First of all, I will pull this yarn end and I will close this. I am pulling tightly as much as we can, and then we are hiding the rest of the yarn end through the stitches. We are doing this a few times. Meanwhile, I am using a small size hook. in order to work well in the back side. I am cutting the rest of the yarn end. Once more I will show you, for example, how we are going to hide this yarn end. I am taking the small size hook. Which color we are going to hide? We are working on the same colors, dear friends. For example, we are not hiding this yellow color in the blue or in the burgundy. If this is yellow, we have to hide this through the yellow stitches. I am cutting the last. It is okay. Like this, we are cleaning all the yarn ends, dear friends. I cleaned all the yarn ends in the back side. This is the front side. Yes, dear friends, for one piece of the glove, you are making one granny square with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, like this, and one granny square with 4 rows. Now we are ready to attach them to each other. I am taking my main color in my hand. I am starting in any place. First of all, I am fixing like this and making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, making 1 block in this corner. This is second double crochet. I'm considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet, so we have 2 now. I'm making 1 more double crochet and we have a block in one corner. I am making 1 chain and then I am taking the other square. I am keeping them back to back. This is the back side, this is the back side. The back sides attached to each other. This is front side, this is also front side, like this. After making 1 chain, I am inserting my hook in this corner space, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 1 chain and making a block in here in the same place. We made our first attach like this and we will go on, dear friends. I am making 1 chain. After making 1 chain, I am going to the space of other square, making a single stitch, yarn over, going to the space of the other square and making a block in here. 1, 2 and 3 double crochet, making 1 chain, inserting my hook in the space of the other square, making a single stitch, yarn over. I'm going to this space, making a block in here. 1, 2 and 3, making 1 chain, going to the space of other square, making a single stitch, yarn over, coming here, making a block. 1, 2 and 3, making 1 chain, going to the space of other square, making a single stitch, yarn over, coming to the corner, making 3 double crochet in here, making 1 chain, inserting our hook in this corner space, yarn over, pull through, making another chain, I mean 1 more chain, because in the center we are making 2 chains totally, and making a block in here. Let me show you what we did. We connected the both sides like this. It's like this. We connected these sides. If your hand is big, you can make one more row, dear friends. But this is okay generally for standard hands. We connected here this side. We are going to crochet this side without connecting. Okay, we are making one chain, yarn over, going to the space, making a block with 3 double crochet, making one chain, going to the other space, making 3 double crochet also in here, 1, 2 and 3, one chain, going to the other space, one chain, going to the corner, making 3 double crochet, and now we are going to connect this corner with the other, making one chain, inserting my hook in the corner of the other square, making a single stitch, one chain, coming to the corner space again and making 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. It's been like this. Let me show you. We connected here, we crocheted here, and in this way here we are going to make the space for the thumb. We connected these corners. I am making one chain, yarn over, going to the space of the other square and making 3 double crochet in this space, 1, 2 and 3. This place will be the space for the finger. For this reason we are not connecting, making one chain, coming here, making 3 double crochet. I am not attaching with the other square because we have to leave the space for our finger, for our thumb. You see, we leave here. I'm not connecting with the other side. I'm making one chain, inserting my hook in this place, yarn over. I am going to the center, making a block in here. One chain, going to the center, making a single stitch, one chain, turning to the center and making one more block, it's been like this, dear friends. We are on this side and this side will be without attaching with the other square. For this reason I am making one chain, making a block in here, making one chain, going to the other space, making a block, making one chain, going to the other space, making a block, one chain. I'm going to the top of this 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. It's been like this, but I'm not cutting. I will go on because we are going to make the wrist place here. We are going to make here. For this reason I will go on with the same color, so I'm not cutting the yarn. I'm making 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over. I am going to make a double crochet in the following stitch, yarn over, going to the following stitch and making a double crochet, yarn over. I am going to make a double crochet in this place that 2 squares attached to each other, making a double crochet in here, yarn over, going to this place, making 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, inserting my hook in this space, making a double crochet. On the block, making 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet, yarn over. In the space we are making 1 double crochet. On the blocks we are making 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm making 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, yarn over, inserting my hook in this space and making 1 double crochet. Like this, come to the other corner, dear friends. I came to the corner. Once again I will show you what we are doing in the corner, yarn over. As you see in the block I made 3 double crochet like this, and here I'm inserting my hook in the place that we attach to each other like this, inserting my hook, making a double crochet, yarn over. Now I am going to the double crochet of the other block and making 3 double crochet, 1, going to the other stitch here, second double crochet, going to the other stitch, making the 3rd double crochet. It's been like this, and in the space we are making only 1 double crochet, and on the block 1, 2, 3 double crochet, in the space 1 double crochet, in the block 1, 2, 3 double crochet, in the space 1 double crochet. Like this we are coming to the end of this row, dear friends. I came to the end, dear friends. I will only make 1 double crochet in this space, and I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains like this, making a slip stitch and connecting the row like this. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, yarn over. Now I am going to make double crochet, but I am doing like this. This is the following double crochet from front to back and then the front like this, and then I am making pull through and making the double crochet, yarn over. I am going to make double crochet following, but like this, from back to front like this, and then back. This is the back side, pull through. I am making the double crochet, yarn over, this time from front like this, and this time from back to front and then to back again. And now like this from front I'm making pull through, and now like this from back to front and then to back. One time we are making like this, the other time we are making from back to front and then going back again, making pull through at the back side. And now we are doing this from the front like this, making pull through, yarn over, from back. We are going to make this till the end of the row, dear friends. So the ribbing pattern started to look it's going to look like this. It is elastic. This is how we make this elastic ribbing pattern. Yes, dear friends, I came to the end of this row. Now I am inserting my hook at top of this starting 3 chains. Yes. Now we are on the 3rd row. 1st row, 2nd row, we are going to make the 3rd row. I am making 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Yes, dear friends, now what we are doing, right side and left side of this previous double crochet you see stitches. I am inserting those stitches. First of all, I am making yarn over, inserting my hook from the right stitch and then left stitch and making a double crochet, yarn over. Now this time from back to front. You see the stitch on the other side, inserting my hook in there. Yarn over, and this one from front to back, back to front, this one, we are going on like this till the end of the row, dear friends. You should be careful that, for example, this double crochet we made inserting our hook from front to back and then back to front. We are doing the same thing, but we are being careful that we are not inserting our hook like this. We are inserting our hook in the stitches from right side and the left side. You see these stitches, inserting my hook like this. And yarn over, and the double crochet. When we make this, we inserted our hook from back to front and then back again, and this one inserting our hook from back to front and then to back, but we are using the stitches at the right side and the left side of these double crochets. We are going on like this one, for example. What we are doing, you see the stitches at both sides here. I am inserting my hook in this stitch, front to back and then back to front like this, and I am making my double crochet. And this one, we made this one in the previous row like this, like this. But now I am inserting my hook from back to front and then to back again. Only in the previous row, when we established this ribbing pattern on the standard double crochets, we made like this. But after that, after we established the pattern, after we found the pattern, we are not doing this. We are inserting in the stitches in the left side and then right side. In the previous row, when we established this ribbing pattern on the double crochet, what I did, we made yarn over and we inserted our hook like this, but now after establishing the pattern, we are not doing this. We are inserting our hook in the stitches of the right side and the left side of the previous double crochet, and then we are making the double crochet. We are finishing this till the end of this row, dear friends. Okay, like this, let's finish this row. I came to the end of this row. I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch and closing this row. One row we made standard double crochet, and the other 2 rows we established, we found the ribbing pattern. It's been totally 3 rows. Like this, we are making totally 8 double crochet, dear friends. We made 3, that means we will make 5 rows more. We are making 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. This is front. What we are doing, we are using the stitches right in the right side and the left side of this double crochet like this, and I am making double crochet, and this one from back side to front. We are always using the stitches in the right side and the back side of these double crochets, from front to back and then back to front. And now I am making the double crochet, yarn over this one. What we are doing, from back to front and then front to back, and making the double crochet, and this one here from front to back and then back to front, using the stitches in both sides of this double crochet and making my double crochet for the ribbing pattern. Yes, dear friends, we are in the 4th row. Like this, we are completing 8 rows, dear friends. 1, 2, 3 rows we have already made. We are on the 4th row. That will be totally 8 rows. Let's finish totally 8 rows, dear friends. I came to the end of the 8th row. Let's count together. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I am at the end of the 8th row. I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chain, yarn over, pull through, making 1 chain, and I am cutting the yarn. I will hide this yarn end inside it. I showed you how you are going to do it. We finished the wrist side, dear friends, like this. I cleaned the yarn end inside it. It is finished. The wrist side is finished like this, dear friends. Let me wear it for you. It's been like this. Yes, dear friends, like this we finished the wrist side. I cleaned the yarn end inside it. Now we are going to make the same thing at the upper side of the glove and the finger side. We are doing what we did here, dear friends. We are taking our yarn in our hand. I'm starting in the place that 2 parts get together, inserting my hook in there. First of all, I am fixing the yarn. One, 2, and 3 chains, yarn over, and I am inserting my hook in the first double crochet of the first following block. When we come to the space, I am making only one double crochet. When we come to the block, we are making 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. We are in the space, we are making 1 double crochet. We are on the block, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Like this, we are coming to the end of the row, dear friends. You will remember when we start making a ribbing pattern, first of all we are making standard double crochet, and then we are making this pattern. We are doing the same thing, exactly what we did here in the wrist side. When we come here, dear friends, that 2 parts get together here. Let me explain clearly. When we come here, 1, 2, 3 double crochet we are making firstly, and then we are coming here, that 2 parts get together here. We are making 1 double crochet, and then we are coming here and making 3 double crochet, and in the space we are making 1. Like this, let's finish this row, dear friends. I came to the end of this row. I am inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, and the first row is finished. For the second row, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. We are going to find this ribbing pattern. For this reason, first of all, we are making like this. For the second, we are making like this. Now like this, and now like this, we are completing this row. As I showed you, dear friends, we are exactly doing what we did in the second row of the wrist side. I came to the end of this row. I am doing the same thing, inserting my hook at top of the first 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, and the second row of the ribbing finished. The third and the last row for this upper part of the gloves, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. Once again I will show you. We made from front to back and then front in the previous row, but now I will insert at the right side of the stitch, going around the left side of the stitch, making double crochet, yarn over. Now this, normally in the previous row what we did like this, but we are not doing this. We are going to insert our hook from right side. We are in the front now, inserting my hook into the left side of this, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet. We are doing this in order to keep the length of the double crochets in the same way. Otherwise, if we always do, for example, like this, the length of the double crochets can be shorter. And now we are doing like this, and for this one, from back to front and then back, using the stitches in the right side and left side of the double crochets. Like this, we are finishing this row, dear friends. This row is the last row. When we come to the end, we are cutting the yarn. I am at the end of the third row. Yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, 1 chain, and cutting the yarn. I am hiding this later on inside it. We finished the wrist side, we finished the upper finger side, and we are going to make the finger side also at this side. We are going to make this 3 rows. We are doing the same, dear friends. Shortly let me show you. We are starting in this place that 2 parts get together, inserting my hook in there. One, 2, and 3 chains. After making 3 chains, we are inserting our hook in the first double crochet of the first following block and making a double crochet and making another double crochet, yarn over, making the 3rd double crochet on this block and space. We are making 1. We are doing the same, dear friends. On the blocks we are making 3 double crochet, in the space we are making 1 double crochet. When we come to the place that 2 parts get together here in the middle, we are making 1 double crochet and then coming to the first following block and making 3, and we are finishing this row by making double crochets. I came to the end of the first row, inserting my hook at top, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, making 3 chains, yarn over. I'm skipping this double crochet that I made 3 chains, and we are doing like this firstly, and then from back to front like this, and like this. We are establishing the ribbon pattern, dear friends. Like this, we are coming to the end of the row. I came to the end of the 2nd row. I am inserting my hook at top, making a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. This time from front to back and then to front, using the both stitches in the both sides of each double crochet. For this one, from back to front and then to back, and now from front to back and then to front, and like this we are finishing this row as well, dear friends. Let's finish this row as I explained to you. Let's come to the end, and then we are going to cut the yarn, and we are finishing this ribbing pattern at the finger side as well. I finished the 3rd row at the finger side. I am at the end, inserting my hook in the 3rd chain of the first 3 chains, yarn over, pull through, making a chain and cutting the yarn. I will hide these yarn ends as I explained to you in the squares. I cleaned all the yarn ends in the back side. It is completely finished, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you like this project. Hope you enjoyed these beautiful fingerless gloves. I really love them. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. I will be very happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much, dear friends. See you in the coming videos.